showing you guys how to make a paper bracelet. So this is a very easy way of making a paper bracelet and it is useful too. So this can also be gifted to your friends and family members and it's also very cute. So you guys can make it in a perfect size for you and you can also make it to your family members and you can gift it to your friends for their birthdays and any other occasions. You guys can also make use this as a friendship band and you can gift it to your friends. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute bracelet. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a sheet of paper and I'm going to be cutting it into a few small rectangular strips of paper. So you guys can take it any size if you want. So if you want the bracelet to be nice and broad in width like this, you can cut it out in a bigger size. So if you want to make it small like this, you can cut it in this size. So you can cut this depending upon the size you'd like. So you can cut it into small pieces. So I'm just going to be cutting it out slowly like this. So I'm just going to be cutting out 4 pieces like this and I'm going to be cutting out the other 4 in the same color. So if you guys want to make it more beautiful and nice, you guys can take another color and cut the other 4 pieces. So it's depending upon your wish. I'm just going to be making all of it in the same color. So I'm just going to be making all the 8 pieces in the same. So you guys can do anything if you like. So guys, it's enough if you use 1 piece of paper if you're going to be using an A4 sheet. Since I'm using a small square piece of paper, I'm cutting it into many small strips. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the corner part of the paper like this. And I'm just going to be sticking another strip like this on top. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue at the bottom part over here. And I'm going to be sticking another piece over here on top. So we have to do this slowly, so please do it slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue again and I'm going to be sticking another piece of paper over here. So now I'm just going to be keeping this aside and I'm going to be repeating the same step and I'm going to be sticking these 4 pieces separately like this. So if you took a different color for the 4 pieces, you should make one green like this and another strip in blue or any color you take which is matching. So you guys can take any color you like and you can show your own creativity to design this. So you guys can even stick gems or anything onto it to make it more beautiful, and you can also, after you make this, you can just stick something on the top for decorations. So if you're going to be gifting it to your friends or family members, you could design it according to them. So you can also spread the glue like this. So I'm just going to be sticking it like this. So if you guys have a big hand, you can just take a A4 sheet and cut it into 2 small strips like this, and you can stick this together, or you can take 1 piece. So I'm just taking this length according to my size of the hand. So you guys can take any size you'd like to do. So I'm just going to be taking one part over here and I'm going to be applying some glue over here. Next step is that I'm just going to be taking the other strip and I'm pressing it on top of this over here. Next step is that I'm just going to be overlapping it on top of this and I'm repeating the same step. So I'm just going to be taking this and I'm overlapping it on top and I'm taking this strip and I'm folding it back. So you guys have to repeat the same step until all the paper is gone. So please do it slowly like this. So as I said, please do it slowly and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Also share this video to your friends and family and keep continuing to watch my channel for more interesting videos like this. So if you guys have a doubt if you're doing it perfectly, you can just open it like this and see. But I suggest you should not open it because if you open it, it'll be hard to get it back inside. So please do it slowly like this. So if you guys want, you can just pre-forward the video and see if you missed any steps, or you can also fast forward the video until I finish doing this. So please do it slowly as I said. So please do it on a flat surface so that you can apply some force and it will be proper for doing. So now I only have a little bit more to do. So I have a little bit left and I'm doing it slowly. So if you guys don't know how to do this, please ask your parents' help for doing. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper moving snake. So almost all the steps are same for that. So you guys can visit that video to see it will also make it more easier for you guys. So you guys can see my paper animals playlist and you guys can see this one as well. The snake. So now it's almost the same steps as I said. In the snake we just stick a face and a tail at last, but in this one we do not stick anything. So now we only have a little bit more, so please do it slowly in the last because it might get collapsed with the ending. So after you stick your last piece, I'm just going to be applying some glue over here, and I'm going to be sticking this piece on top of it like this. So now I'm just going to be pressing on it really hard, so you just have to press on it with large force, and I'm going to be opening it slowly. So as you guys see, it will be nice and beautiful like this. So if you see at first, it will be very small. So as you keep on pulling it, it will become nice and big. So you have to keep pulling it for a few minutes, not like a few minutes. So as you stick it, it will eventually become bigger. So I'm just going to be applying some glue at one edge like this, and I'm taking the other edge and I'm sticking it slowly like this, and I'm just going to be sticking a few pieces together like over here, so that we can apply some strength onto it and it will stick properly. Now I'm just going to be opening it. As you guys see, it's these two are actually the same size, but this one looks really smaller, and I meant the same size and it looks smaller because we didn't use it. So if you guys keep opening it like this, it will come up. So sometimes the glue might also come out like this. So if it comes out, you guys can just stick it back again. So we have to apply more force so that it turns out properly, and just keep pushing it like this and open it like this, and after some time it will eventually get bigger as you use it more. So after we complete this, our paper bracelet is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.